Hello, I just wanted to show you some beads. These are Jesse James beads. I want to make something with these. I have some of these kits for sale on my website. They're really nice. Got the pearls, and they got the little silver spacer bead, little round metal beads. Some real long, like drops, oval beads. Very pretty. Make a real nice necklace. The pearl. One of these. Metal bead. Metal bead. And right here. Right here. Or we can do a drop over here. Probably move the pearl on the other side. Focal right there. Disco ball looking crystal in the middle. Pearl. Put another bead over here, and a spacer bead, and a pearl, and a pearl. I've looked really cute. Anyway, if you want them, they'll be on my website, and I will be making something out of these beads the next time you see me. Thanks. Have a great day.